Hello guys and welcome to the How To channel. In this video we're going to check out how to view your 2025 YouTube recap. So yeah, this is honestly super simple. Basically the recap is like a quick summary of everything you watch on YouTube throughout the entire year. So how can you see your recap? Easy. Just open your YouTube app, whether you are on iOS, Android, or even in your computer. Once you are in, you should see this section right here saying that your 2025 recap has arrived. It will say get your recap now and celebrate your year on YouTube. Tap on get and you will get more info about your recap. You will able to see all these story style slides showing your entirely YouTube year in review. That's pretty cool. And if for some reason it doesn't show up for you, just go back to the YouTube homepage, then head over to your account section. You should also find your recap there.